Right, so somebody's asked me how to put a dacron on if you've never used one before. These pole connectors, or dacrons they call them, when you get them, they come with a little loop at the top what you thread your elastic through, which is all well and good, but once you've used them or you change your elastic, you lose that. People ask me, how do I do it? Get that loop back. Get a little Allen key, put the Allen key at the top of the dacron there, and then just get the fiddly, but it'll work, over the top, and then just pull like that. That then gives you that loop. Okay, and then all you do once you've got that loop is you get your elastic, you put it through them two loops. That's on. Put a little knot in the end. Slide the dacron or the connector up to the knot and just pull it. Pull that up to there, like so. Cut the access off, pull that, and you've got it, new piece on. Okay.